Hey, my name is Robert, marketing at Mack4D, and today I'm presenting to you the 3D manufacturing of a hearing prosthesis done with EasyRip. And I will show you the full process of how amplitec use EasyRip to reach a good result. And the process we are talking about looks like this: scanning, modeling, post-curing, casting fill, cast breaking and peeling, machining, and quality control. So let's talk about scanning first. And this step is one of the most important ones. So we must first verify that the customer's order matches the order registered in our system. So check that the impressions are suitable for the manufacturer of the requested prosthesis. Before saving the scan in our system, we must ensure it is correct and free of defects such as whole or unscanned areas. It is very important here to place each impression on the correct side, because otherwise the modeling software will not recognize it later. Next step, modeling. To properly demonstrate the modeling process, several cases and different prostheses or impressions should be modeled. So first of all, choose the correct template. It is very important to set the offset, so the thickness we apply to the impression here. When smoothing and or thickening a model, factors such as flexibility of the ear, the material and the type of model must be considered. And now I will walk you through the full post-curing cast process amplitec did in order to create a great hearing prosthesis. For the cast, Mack4D's EasyRip was used. So a material that ensures molds, plugs and silicone noise protectors with 35SH, 40SH or 60SH, requiring minimal manual work and having a smooth and defect-free finish. First, after the printing is finished, we let it drain for 15 to 30 minutes so that the cast releases all excess material from inside. And after this time, it is no longer useful to continue draining. Number 2. We remove the platform, always using powder-free vinyl or natural gloves. Number 3. We then carefully remove the cast, making sure to not break the filling cones. However, if one of the cones breaks, it is not really a big problem because the cast is still valid for filling. Number 4. We place the cast in the Formlab ultrasonic cleaner or a similar device for around 5 minutes, making sure they fill with alcohol, and then the easy tip casts are fully submerged so that the cleaning is effective and they rotate properly. Number 5. We let them drain for a few seconds and then place them in the ultrasonic cleaner for around 1.5 minutes. Step number 6. We blow air on each cast one by one until all traces of alcohol have disappeared. 7. After a few minutes, we place them in the photopole for around 2.5 minutes. Gas and nitrogen is not necessary here. Number 8. To achieve optimal drying, we place the casts in a dry heat oven for around 10 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius. We do this to ensure the cast is completely dry, especially if we are going to fill it immediately. If the filling will take place the next day or several hours later, this step is not essential to do. Now the cast filling itself. This step is delicate in order to ensure that the negative comes out without bubbles or defects. And now the cast breaking and peeling. After several tests, amplitec discovered that placing the filled cast in warm water makes the process even easier, requires less effort and helps to prevent breakages. And the cast machining. We carefully cut the drainage channels. Sandpaper is also used to remove grease and small imperfections that may be present, and we wash and dry them properly. The final step then is the Laquering. And now thanks for watching. If you want to be our next case study, just like amplitec, you can order the EasyRip material on our website mack4d.de.